Hello everyone, this is me Rohit here and I welcome you all in my first ever video in this YouTube channel. So at the first I said that I'm Rohit and I'm doing my first year in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Sri Manakula Vinayagar Engineering College in Pondicherry, which is in India. So I'm also from India. So in recent times we have heard about data science, data analysts, like data everywhere. But primarily we want to know what is the data. And this is the video is all about. Let's get into it. So yeah, what is data? Data is nothing but an information that is factual or quantity or a measure or count. So now you see here I actually included information in data's definition or when I'm saying what is a data is actually. So we tend to say that when we generalize what is data, we actually include information, the word information in that, right? So let us see what is information is. Information is nothing but a data that has a meaning and its own purpose. And now it makes us more confusing that how a data and the information is being related and how they are being differentiated, right? So now we are going to see how they are being related and differentiated.
Hello. Hi. I'm Arthur. Let's take an example. Number 3. Why number 3 is meant here and what is it actually? We don't know what exactly 3 is mentioned here, right? But take a look at this. I scored 3 goals in the football match. Now the 3 has meaning and its own purpose. This can be said as information now. Whereas just the number 3 can be said as data.
So you must have listened to the author's example, right? When he said number 3 at the first, we didn't know what is the purpose of number 3 or we didn't know what is the number 3, why it is being mentioned. But when he said that he scored 3 goals in a match, we got to know what is the purpose of 3 or the meaning of 3. When a data got its own purpose or meaning, it turns out into information. But when the value doesn't have a meaning or purpose, it turns out to be a data. So to be easy, information is nothing but a data which carry its own purpose and meaning, whereas data is nothing but information that doesn't have what is its purpose or what is its meaning. It turns out to be a data. So now most of you would be having a doubt whether that data is depending on information. The answer for it is a no. Data does not depend on information, but information depends on data. Let me explain you with a simple example. Let's take our planet Earth. We know that our planet Earth is a living planet. And it's called as a living planet just because there are living creatures and living plants, humans and creatures that are living on the Earth. So let us consider the planet Earth as a data, and whereas the living things inside it as information. If there's no living things on the planet, obviously the planet is going to exist. But if there's no planet, then the living things are never going to exist. The same way, if we relate with information and data, like if we consider the living things and information, if there is no information, the data is going to still exist. That is, if there's no living things, the planet is still going to exist. And vice versa, like if the data or the planet is not going to exist, the information is not going to exist at all. So hope everyone find it more helpful to know what is data and how a data and information is being related and how they are being dependent on each other. This is me Rohit signing out right now and seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.